We're going to go ahead and test our board. So we'll start with a reset. It should start at south green, red pedestrian, red west. This is our just green indicator LED light for the board. So first we're supposed to toggle west on. They're yellow, red, and green at west. For that would be our first test case. Now for our second test case, we're supposed to turn west back off and toggle pedestrian on. So that's yellow, red, and then pedestrian turns green. Now for our third case, we're supposed to turn pedestrian back on and we turn on south. So there flashes red, green, and that would be our third case. Now for our fourth case, we're supposed to turn south back off and toggle pedestrian back on. So yellow and green here. And that would be our fourth case. Now we're supposed to go back to west. So let's turn pedestrian off and turn west on. It flashes red here and it goes back to green on west. That's our fifth case. Now we should go back to south, which is our sixth case. So we'll turn west off and south back on. Yellow, red, and green here. Now we're going to test 2 cases at a time. So let's go ahead and toggle south back off. And we have south and pedestrian first. So south on, pedestrian on. Should flash here, go to pedestrian green, then flashes red and goes back to green here. And goes back to green here, and it'll cycle through them. For our next test case, let's go ahead, turn both south and pedestrian off. And we'll go south and west. So turn south on. We'll wait until it goes to south, and then there's go south and west. So now it'll cycle through both of them. Green here, yellow here, red here. Green here, yellow here, red here. Back to green. And it'll just cycle through them. For the next case we're going to test is going to be west and pedestrian. So we'll go ahead and turn south back off. Now it's at west. We'll turn pedestrian on and west is on. So there you go, yellow, red, and green here. It'll flash here, cycle back to west. It'll flash here, cycle back to pedestrian. Now we're going to go ahead and test all of our 3 cases together. So there you go, turn south on. See now here it's green at south, yellow south, green at pedestrian, flashes pedestrian, green at west, yellow west, back to south again, and it'll just continue to cycle through them. Thank you so much